Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to use these plastic snowflakes from the Dollar Tree and just go in our craft stash and grab some stuff. You can do these any way you want and they turn out so cute and they're so addictive to make. So come along for the ride and watch what I do here. So at Dollar Tree, you can get a package of these snowflakes. You can get the larger ones are $6 for $1, the smaller ones are $10. And I just went in my craft stash and grabbed some things I thought would go great with these snowflakes. I had a couple 2 for $1 ornaments, these white ones. I had a couple red ornaments that came from Big Lots. You got 4 for $2. And then I just grabbed some beads that I had in different embellishments. And I did not paint these and I did not add any bows, but you can also do that. I wanted these to just shine and glitter and sparkle when they're on the tree. So I just sat on a Saturday morning and just started putting different ways together. Some are much cuter than the others. It just depends on your style. And yours will be different because it depends on what kind of beads and embellishments you have in your craft stash. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video, believe it or not. Yep, Kelly's going to be quiet through this one. We're just going to put on some Christmas music and I'm just going to show you some inspirations of how you can take these little plastic snowflakes and turn them into super cute Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
For just a couple dollars, these are just so cute, and they sparkle and shine on your Christmas tree. Now, Dollar Tree did not disappoint with the glitter because the big ones had a lot of glitter on them. But if you can put up with a little bit of glitter, they just make such great Christmas ornaments. They almost have that crystal effect, and I just think they're so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I hope y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day and a happy holiday season. Love y'all.